Do you have a kid? Do you have grandkids? Do you have someone in school? Or just kids you need to keep active? Well, check out what we were gifted.
I already took one.
I know you stole it. It is an amazing package of animals. Animals that keep them busy. Look, I'll open yours. Speaking of keeping them busy, you can tuck them into party gifts if you're having a party. You can put them at Valentine's parties, Easter gifts, anything, or like we will just be able to keep the kids busy. Look how many different choices there are. There are so many different choices. All the directions come, look, there's just more and more. All the directions come right here. They are, I'm sorry. They are all numbered in the order that you need to put them together. So even the simplest, youngest kiddo can get it done. I love the amount of choices. There are 20 animals in there. This pack is going to serve us well.
It will.
If you are in need of a cute party pack or something she's just going to get into because she wants to build them all, this is what we would choose.